So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can create a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot on your Windows PC or laptop. So here you can see I am running on Windows 11, but this tutorial is applicable for both Windows 11, Windows 10 and other versions of Windows as well. And also make sure that you have Wi-Fi available on your device, because to run the hotspot you mainly need Wi-Fi on your device. Alright, so first just click on your Windows start icon and then just go to the settings of your device. So just click on this settings icon, and then after coming to settings, then here you need to click on network and internet at the left hand side, and then here you can see the option under network and internet mobile hotspot. So just click on here, and here you can see the interface. Here you need to toggle mobile hotspot on, and also here you can see that you can select, like if you have multiple connection Wi-Fi and Ethernet or both, then you can select share my internet connection from Wi-Fi or other connections as well, and share over Wi-Fi and other settings. So here you can see the name, the password and the band. So you can also edit these network properties as well. So here you can see this is the current password, the default password, and this is the band. So just click on edit icon, and then here you can change the network name. So let's name it to TechMesh. So you can use your name as well here, and then here just let's put easy password for now. And then here you can select your available network band. So here you can select 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz as well. So I have selected to any available for now, and then click on save, and then you can just toggle this mobile hotspot on. And now I will move over to my smartphone to show you if it is working or not. So here you can see that here the TechMesh hotspot is now showing here. So let me just connect it. So let's put the password 12345678, and then let's click on connect. And here you can see that we are now connected via our mobile hotspot from our Windows laptop. And also here you can see the device name is now showing along with the IP address and the MAC address. And let me just here search for something, like let's say I am searching for TechMesh. Then here you can see I can also use the internet via this mobile hotspot. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can create the mobile hotspot from your Windows laptop or PC. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know it in the comment section below. So I'm Mash from TechMash and I'm signing out.